All right, so in this video, I just wanted to go over the real estate mindset that you need to have, right? The mindset you need to have doing any form of real estate. This is important to know. I know I talked about all the things that you need to know for the listings and the priority list, the focus sheet, how to get the listings, how to do the showing, stuff like that. But now let's talk about what you need to be thinking, week by week when you're showing these apartments, showing the leads, meeting new people, stuff like that, so that you could stay on track and not fall behind and make as much money as possible. So I have a checklist of things here I just want to go over, so I'll just go step by step. So first thing, don't get excited until the deal is fully closed. I know that a lot of people get excited when they get the lead. A lot of people get super excited when they want to place an application, when they want to place a deposit. These things are very exciting, but don't get too excited until it's completely closed and done and you're actually going to get paid on it for sure. Because there's lots of situations where we find out that the people don't have the same credit that they said they had, or they don't make the same amount of money that they said that they make. Sometimes they place a deposit and they change their mind and then they back out. Sometimes the landlord just doesn't approve them because maybe they're just below the requirement, but we thought we might be able to push it through, but we couldn't. It's all a numbers game, right? Don't worry too much about the things that are pending, the things that might close. Just focus on the numbers, focus on meeting new people every single day, more and more people, getting as many leads as possible, doing as many showings as possible. That's what you have to focus on, because I promise you, the more people that you're meeting every day, the more new people you're meeting, the more you're gonna close and the more money you're gonna make. Also, if you have a lot of pending deals, don't let that get to your head. If you have a whole bunch of deposits, applications that came in, don't start working less because you have all these things that might close. I see a lot of people, they get applications and deposit and then they just, they chill and they lay back, when that's the opposite of what you should be doing. Or even if you had a lot of deals close, don't let it get to your head. Because when you chill, you lay back, you think you're good with the money that you have, 1, 2, 3 weeks might pass with you closing nothing because you have now nothing pending. You have no deals pending because you decided to chill out. Don't worry about the stuff that's closing. Don't worry about the apps, the deposits. Just focus on getting more and more numbers nonstop. Now, I'm not saying overwork yourself. I'm not saying drive yourself crazy, but choose how much you want to work and work that much. Don't let it be like a roller coaster where when you're doing good, you slow down, and then when you're slowing down, you're not making a lot of money. And then sometimes you slow down even more, or maybe you work harder at that point. Don't let it be like a roller coaster. Choose how much you're gonna work, how hard you're gonna work, how much time you're gonna put in, and work consistently at that amount every single week, and don't change it. And if you're not closing any deals, don't let that get you down. Don't let that slow you down. I see that when people don't close deals, they take these hiatuses, they take time off. They say, let me recollect myself, let me regroup. No, don't do that. Find out what you're doing that's wrong, because I guarantee you people on the team are closing. People on the team are closing deals. Some people are closing deals every single week. So the problem isn't the system, it's not the listings, it's you, it's what you're doing. And you need to find out exactly what it is you're doing wrong and fix it. And if anything, you should be working harder. There should be no time off. You shouldn't be cutting hours. You should be putting more time in. You should be posting more. You should be focusing on getting in front of more people so you can close more deals. Some people that have full-time jobs on this team are closing more deals than other people that are doing this 9 to 5 every single day, or even more than that. So the potential is definitely there. So if you feel like you're not closing deals, you feel like you might be doing something wrong, I'm gonna lay out to you what it looks like to be a real estate boss. All right, a day in the life of the real estate boss. This is what it looks like. Wake up early. Not 9 to 10, that's not early. I'm talking about early, 5, 6, 7 a.m. the latest. Brush your teeth, do your morning stuff, and then work out or jog or walk your dog or whatever it is that you do for exercise if you care about exercising. If you do exercise, don't wait till later in the day to do it, because later in the day, after a long day especially, you're gonna have way more excuses to not do it. So do it right when you wake up in the morning. Once you've worked out, you've got your juices flowing, you'll notice you have more clarity, you're more focused. Now, at this point, eat your breakfast and plan out your day. Now, I see a lot of people, they plan out their day, they write down like 20, 30 things, different tasks that they need to do throughout the day. You're not gonna be able to get all these things done. What I do is I like to kind of keep it general, right? You're not gonna say, I'm showing John, I'm showing Samantha, I'm showing Rebecca. Don't do that. Just choose 5 main things you want to get done. Whether that's posting 5 new listings, or doing 3 to 5 showings, or taking a TikTok video of a unit so you can get more leads. Or maybe you're gonna get a video of a unit for a particular client. Or going through the priority list or the focus sheet to see what listings you're gonna be focusing on for the week. Whatever it is, write it out and focus on executing that. And then you go ahead and execute. Go and do those things. Now, I'd recommend going into the office or going to a library or some sort of business center. I know that you could be productive at home. I've been productive at home. We all could be productive at home, but it's not the same as being in a workspace. It's hard to be as productive in your house. So get out of your house, go somewhere else, sit down at a desk with a laptop, do your postings, do your follow-ups. Follow-ups are extremely important. Anytime you show, make sure you follow up within the day or the next day at the latest. See where their head's at, see what they want, see what they didn't like from that showing. But yeah, get into a nice workspace, especially if you're in the office, you're surrounded by other people that wanna make money too, that are doing the same things that you're doing. It's gonna motivate you to do more stuff. You're gonna hear people chatting about the listings and what they're doing to get more leads and stuff like that. I could be there to help you and answer your questions or help you plan stuff out. You're always welcome in the office during business hours, which is 9 to 5 on the weekdays. So the main thing I want you to take away from this video is get into a nice workspace, plan out your day, start it early, and get in front of more people, show more apartments, because it's all a numbers game. Do as much as you could do, whether it's from 9 to 5 or 9 to 6 or 4 to 5, 4 to 10, whatever the hours are that you've chosen already. Get as much done as you can within those hours. And if you have any questions about this, you could text me directly.